Hello learners, I am Sandeep and you are watching Learning with SR. Today I am going to show you some of the features of the MS Word. For example, for your documents, if you want to make a cover page, you can also use the predefined templates. For using the predefined templates, what you have to do, you have to go to the insert and after that you have to select this cover page. From here you can select any of the templates according to your convenience. And if you want to some more cover page or other templates, you can also go to the office.com. From here you can import other templates too. Like this you can make your cover page. For inserting the cover page, what you have to do, you have to click one of these templates. For example, if you want this templates, you can click here and the template will be inserted on the page. After that you can edit this cover page. So any details you want you can enter here. Likewise you can make the cover page of your documents or reports. Other than this, sometimes you have to insert a watermark. For inserting a watermark, what you have to do, you have to go to the design toolbox and after that you have to click on this watermark. And from here you can select this predefined templates. For example, if you want to write this confidentiality, you can select these one of the templates. Otherwise, if you want some other names or some other details, you can also do. For that, what you have to do, you have to go to the custom watermark. After that you have to click on this text part, and here in the text part, here you have to write. For example, if you want to write this specimen copy, so likewise you can also do. After writing you have to click on OK. So likewise you can insert this watermark in your documents. Other than this, if you want some other features or other functionality of the MS Word, what you can do, you can go to the insert part and click here in get add-ons. After clicking here, you can search any of the other functionality you want. For example, if you want some barcode in your documents, you can import that package in your documents. So after that, writing this barcode, you can search here. From these options, you have to just click on this add buttons. For example, if you want to add this barcode, so you have to click on this add button, and after that you have to click on this continue. After that, what you will get here, it will show add-on package you have added. And if you don't find this install package, what you can do, you can go to the my add-ons and here you can search or you can see whether your package is properly installed or not. So likewise you can insert any package offered by the Microsoft add-ons. So likewise these functionality or these features offered by MS Word you can use. Other than this, I will show you how to make any number or any codes into a barcode. For this, instead of using this add-ons, what you can do, you have to import that font style. For example, if you want some any barcode or QR code, how will it apply? It basically convert your data into using the font style. So for making any barcode or generating your QR code, what you have to do, you have to install that font style. For example, if you want this 1 2 3 these numbers you want to convert into the barcode, what you can do, you have to go to the browser. After that you have to click barcode font. After searching here, you will see this DA font style. Here you have to click it. After clicking here, you will get some of the suggested barcode font style. So according to your convenient, any font style you can select. From here you can download the barcodes. For example, if you want your barcode style like this, you can directly download it from here. Otherwise, if you want some other style, you can search it from here. So likewise you can search any barcode. For the time being, what I will do, I will download this barcode style. So after clicking this on download, you have to click OK. After clicking OK, what you have to do, you have to open it. After opening, what you have to do, you have to double click it, and you have to again double click this file. From here, what you have to do, you have to click on the install. So likewise, you can install any font style in your Word documents. After installing, what you have to do, you have to select this, select your number, and after that you have to go this font style. From here you can select your install font style. For example, I have installed this barcode font, so I will click here. This will convert your number or your code into barcode. So likewise, you can convert any of your number into a barcode number. So these are some of the functionality provided by the MS Word. Hope you like these 3 features provided by MS Words and learn something new from this video. In the next video, we will learn something new and explore more about the MS Office. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. If you like the content of the video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.